Imagine pouring concrete into tall grass. Once that concrete hardens, you cannot simply remove it by pulling on it. You have to dig up the grass, the roots, and the soil. And this is exactly what happens when you have biopolymers injected into your body. Your body recognizes the biopolymers as a foreign invader, and this foreign invader permeates the tissues within the body. It can cause symptoms such as pain, discoloration of the skin, and if the biopolymer has been in your body long enough, it can migrate to other areas of the body as well. But also, more importantly, think of it as a ticking time bomb. Even the most minor of injuries or something as simple as the flu can trigger your immune system to wake up and attack the biopolymer and cause a lot of inflammatory symptoms within your body. Now, if you've had biopolymer injections, the good news is that there are specialized procedures to extract the biopolymer from your body, reducing the risk of future complications.